everybody, my name is Emily the Elephant and this is my baby Lucy. We belong to the rainforest habitat. One day when Lucy was playing beside the lake, a hunter tried to attack them. Lucy and her friends ran to save their lives. Lucy's friend Geronimo got killed and attacked by the hunt in the ambush. They kill us for our tusks to get ivory, which they sell to get lots of money. Please save us. Please save us from getting extinct and stop animal poaching.